Hello guys, thank you for tuning into my channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe. And I keep posting such videos related to Abacus. And if you have any doubt, any difficulties in Abacus modeling and analysis, do contact with me. So today I'll show you the hysteresis plot of a beam column joint. Over here on the screen, as you can see, this is a beam column joint, steel beam column joint, has been tested under the cyclic loads. I have here I can simply increase little bit of scale, this much more. Okay, here I've just increased some scale so that I can uh, check the behavior properly. This is the displacement that have been shown on the screen. This is the stress plot. If you check the max principle, this is what uh, different stresses. So before proceeding into the hysteresis plot, let me show you a little bit about the model. Over here, let me show you the amplitude that I have assigned for doing this cyclic test. Yeah. Amplitude plotter, this is the amplitude that have been assigned, 100 mm final magnitude, 100 mm, this unit is in mm. And this has been analyzed for cyclic tests. Let me show you now the hysteresis plot. So you can just simply go to the ODV field request and you'll get this option from here. Select the unique nodal from the drop down menu, then select the reaction force. I have selected upward vertical movement, then select U2 from node set, as I have already created a node over here at the joint. So if you want, you can directly select it from here, but as I have already created, so I'll simply go with this. And if I plot it, this is the force and displacement plot. This is both the plots are combined together. Now I need to convert it to the cyclic plot, hysteresis diagram. So over here, these are my two plots. I can simply save it by right click it and simply save it. Once you save it, you'll get something like this. So I'll delete it first. Okay, so as you can see, if I simply save it, I've got xy data, displacement and force. Now I will combine both of this. So again, click click create xy data, then go to operate on xy data. You'll get this window. From here, select the combine option and first select the displacement, right click on it, then select the reaction force. These two graphs I have already saved with. If I simply plot, this is my hysteresis graph. This is in yellow color, it is not properly visible, so I'll simply take this plot. This is my plot. So what I'll do, I'll simply right click it and I'll take these values to the Excel. It looks better in Excel plots. Paste it, and this is my U, this is my force. So if I just plot it like this, this is how it looks. So we have our hysteresis plot here. And if you have any difficulties, any problem in modeling in Abacus, anything, whether you are from civil engineering or from any other branches, you can contact with me. You can check my other videos as well, and please don't forget to subscribe. And I also provide online support and training regarding Abacus. So if you have any difficulties, please do contact with me. I have given my contact details. Also, I forgot to mention one thing, that I have used here bolts. These are the bolts that have been used to connect the flanges of the column as well as steel plate for connecting the beam. If you check the part of the bolt, M20 bolt have been used. So thanks for tuning into my channel, and please don't forget to subscribe.